Is this the end of traditional action cameras? Insta360 just leaked their new flagship, the X6, and it's not just a refresh. It's a total redesign that's about to change how we capture the world. First off, look at this. The X6 is significantly more compact, ditching the long, candy bar feel for something shorter, wider, and much more portable. But don't let the size fool you. While everyone was expecting a minor update, Insta360 just bumped 8K, recording to 50 frames per second. That's a massive jump from the X5's 30 frames per second. Whether you're riding, skating, or traveling, your 360 footage is about to look buttery smooth. The real secret sauce? The sensors. We're talking about massive 1/1.1-inch sensors for each lens. This is a huge step up that promises better low-light performance and sharper detail. And for you cinema heads, we're looking at 10-bit color, Dolby Vision, and iLog support. Plus, in single-lens mode, you're getting 4K at 120 frames per second for that silky slow-motion action shots. And get this, time-lapse in 11K. The sheer resolution here is insane. Even with that smaller body, they've managed to cram in a 2,600 milliamp hours battery, giving you up to 233 minutes of recording time. That's actually better than the previous model. The screen is also getting an upgrade to 1,200 nits, which means you'll actually be able to see what you're shooting even under direct sunlight. Now, the price is rising. Leaks suggest starting around €689 or €789 for the Essential Bundle. Yes, it's a premium, but you're paying for a beast of camera. Insta360 hasn't dropped the official release date yet, but with these specs, the competition is officially on notice. Is the 8K 50 capability enough to make you upgrade? Or is the price tag too steep? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the full review the moment this hits the market. See you in the next one.